Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Bay Township Libraries. Today, we are going to take a look at how to create a chart in a spreadsheet. So here I have some information, and what I'm going to do is click and drag to highlight it. And then in Excel, I'm going to come up here to the Insert tab and look over in the middle to find my chart section. Now it gives me some recommended charts, but I want to see all of them, so I'll click on See All Charts. Now the shape of your chart will depend on what kind of information you are trying to convey, so let's browse the charts a little bit. So here we have some bar charts. You can do a line. I'm going to do the sideways bar chart, and I want it to convey the fruit on the side there. So there's my chart, and I can add a chart title by clicking and typing a new title. And I can also add some data labels by clicking one of the colors, right-clicking, and choosing Add Data Labels. And I can repeat that for each color until my chart is labeled. Now, if I want to add on to the data set, if you notice I have my chart highlighted and selected, and the data set up here is highlighted as well. So what I can do is I can type in some new information. And then go back and highlight my chart again. If I come over here and hover to where the square is, my cursor changes. If I click and drag until it incorporates this new column, you'll notice now instead of having 3 fruits, I have 4. So that's how you make some changes to your data. Now, if I wanted, I could copy and paste this as well into a Word document. So there are a few options that you can do with your chart. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.